the train, which Noodles did really good at. This hood is a little ridiculous. And now we're walking to the cherry blossoms. It's supposed to rain today and tomorrow. Maybe I'll see them this weekend without the rain. But I know it's gonna be less crowds because of the rain. So, kind of wanted to do that. French bakery called Fresh Baguette. They have a couple kind of in the DC area, and then the one in Old Alexandria where I am. Noodles! This is a new location. So I got a Madeline, I think that's how you pronounce it, because I've never really had those. I've seen them, I know what they are. And then I got a full baguette loaf. There's so many options of the baguettes and regular full loaves of bread. And I just got, ooh, it's so pretty. I just got a regular baguette. And they make it fresh every day. It's organic bread. Oh, and I got this juice. White peach nectar. Everything else is in French. So, oh, it's translated. White peach puree, water, sugar, citric acid, ascorbic acid. Product of France. Also, I have a full tripod. Haven't gotten it out this entire trip. Just leaning my camera on places and selfieing it, which I hate selfies, so it's going really well. They had pineapple, which the girl there said was her favorite, but that's totally what I would normally get. So again, I'm trying to try things that I wouldn't normally have. So can't say that I've ever had white peach juice. It's good. I love pureed fruit, and you can definitely tell that it's pureed fruit. Very good. Should I try the Madeline? It's fine. And not saying anything against their own Madelines. I think in general it's just not something I would normally get. But yeah, it's good. And the friend I'm staying with, she just picked up a bunch of barbecued meats and barbecue sauce and stuff from the Amish. And so I can make little barbecue sandwiches. My baguette. Ooh, yeah, it's really nice on the inside. Sorry, it's so dark, I can tell. But I don't care enough to do anything differently. I'm good at documenting things. I'm gonna be a really good YouTuber. Oh yeah, it's so soft in the middle. I love bread. The Madeline tastes really sweet after you eat regular bread. A slice of baguette, brisket, and barbecue. This is a really good mix. I know you want it, Noodles. I know you want it. It's not for you. I walk outside for 2 seconds. Get off the table. We do not jump on tables. Sit. It's because he smelled that brisket. You acted fast. I thought he was going to bark at the door like, no, she left the house. Nope. I left and he went straight to the table. Things from that place. Fleurir, is that how you pronounce that? Probably saying that wrong. But in Alexandria, Virginia, these are seasonal, these eggs. And this is now going to have to be an Easter tradition because they ship. And I'm going to have to get these every year because they're so freaking good. I haven't eaten all of this by myself. I was able to share with my friend. So they like split in half. And the color splatters, the green is malted hazelnut, spiced walnut, crispy honey peanut. All ridiculous, all amazing. I think malted hazelnut is my favorite. The crispy honey peanut was my friend's favorite. But yeah, these are so good. Actually, everything from this place was really good. Definitely a fan. Butter brickle, which is like butterscotch ice cream with toffee pieces, and then I added the chocolate chips. Very, very good.